Pinatawag ni Kuya ang girls para kumustahin sa kanilang paghahanda para sa pageant.
Good morning, girls.
Good morning, Kuya!
Nagpa-practice pa kayo? Alam niyo naman, malaki ang nakataya at malakas ang kompetensya. O mahina ba?
Kuya, para sa akin, sobrang lakas nila, kuya, kasi sobrang ganda nila. Siguro yung mukha kupet nila. pero kasi sabi ni Kisses kasi, kuya, walang posible daw. Kung kaya niya, kaya ko rin, kaya ni Vibery, kaya na niya lahat.
Maya-maya ay sinubok ni Kuya ang girls sa isang Q&A portion.
Vibery, define beauty.
Beauty. Beauty is what each one makes unique. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder, kuya.
Yun na yung sagot mo?
Opo, kuya.
And what about you, Kisses? Define beauty.
Patay na.
I think, kuya, that beauty is when someone knows that he or she is imperfect. Each and every one of us, we are all imperfect. Every one of us possess beauty, and we just need to see through ourselves and realize that we are beautiful in our own way.
Good answer. And Miss Maymay,
Beauty.
the question is, define nature.
Nature.
The judges are waiting, and the audience as well.
Nature, in my own perspective, nature is how we look like. We are nature. I define nature as a very important thing because beautiful nature, it will help us to think how beautiful the earth is, how beautiful the life is, and how beautiful I am.
At dahil kailangan pa ng tulong ng girls, may ibinalita si Kuya sa kanila.
Para mas mapaghandaan ninyo ang inyong darating na Miss Teen Big Brother pageant, mayroon akong inimbitahang tao. Kumbaga maaari niyo siyang maturing na isang coach. Paghandaan niyo na lang ang pagdating niya.
Agad din isip ng girls ang ipapaturo sa papasok na coach.
First, walk. Para may palabas mo yung personality mo sa walk mo.
Yeah, that's important.
Samantala sa confession room, dumating na ang 2005 Miss International Beauty Queen, Lara Kigaman.
Maligayang pagdating sa bahay ko, Lara.
Salamat po.
Paano ba maging isang beauty queen?
Akala ng maraming tao, madaling maging beauty queen. Pero maraming hindi nakakaalam na para din kami talagang mga atleta, talagang matagal yung training, mahirap yung trainings para maging isang beauty queen. So yung preparation talaga hindi lang physical,